Today I'm gonna do my Sephora play. I need to figure out where my scissors are. Hang on. We got scissors. Yeah. Usually I like pre-cut my boxes if I think of it, but I didn't this month. Ooh, this bag is kind of cute. I feel like for a while there, like their bags were just like not cute. But Beauty is my spirit animal. That's kind of cute. It's in like this little tiny little bag, right? So here's my thing about Sephora Play and why I think there's kind of an upside of it. Everything that you get in your bag, you can find at Sephora or Sephora.com, which is pretty nice. And then you also get like this little card for if you make a purchase, you get 50 extra beauty points. I kind of think it's funny that like, I don't know, like that they make you purchase something. I think they're trying to like encourage people to buy their products by doing that. But really, I think you should already get like some type of bonus point for being like a Play subscriber. But you know, whatever. I was going to try and do a try-on style, but I don't know if I can. Yeah. I'll just kind of go through the bag and like you'll see why. And their bonus product this month is not a perfume. When did that change? I don't know. Things keep changing. Alright, so the first, and I think only like makeup product I see is the Stila All Day Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black, I believe. Yeah. So there's the felt tip. It's a pretty nice looking liner. Nice decent trial size at least, which I have wanted to try this. Oh gosh, okay. I have wanted to try this for a while and compare it to other eyeliners, but I feel like I get so many in boxes that I haven't wanted to buy it. And look, I got it in a box. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Here, we're going to do this and put things away in the bag. That's how I'm gonna do this. Another product I see in here, which I guess I could use if you really want me to, excuse me, is a moisturizing balm that energizes tired skin with ultra fine pearls. So it is from the brand Bobbi Brown. I don't know if it will zoom in because, sorry, my camera lens does not like to zoom onto anything that's not my face. I don't know. So it's smooth a pea-sized amount over clean, dry skin before applying makeup. So I think you can use this as like a balm or like a primer. But, oh yeah, that definitely has some like hydration to it. It gives it a little bit of a sheen, but I wouldn't say it's like an illuminating sheen at all. Put it right here. Oh, it smells good though. It smells delicious. I want to eat that. Oh, it smells so good. I just ate. Like, I'm not even joking. The next item in here, and this is why I'm going to say I can't really try this box. The next 3 products are not makeup products. So this is the Greek Yogurt Foaming Cleanser. It's a cream to foam cleanser that contains skin-loving Greek yogurt. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this. I know I've received a course. Maybe I have, and they repackaged it. But, you know, it's never harmful to get a cleanser. I guess this is considered a makeup product. The next item in the bag is from Supergoop, and it is a Defense Refresh Setting Mist with Rosemary. Matte finish 3-in-1, sets makeup, controls, and delivers UV photo aging protection. So it has SPF 50 in it, which I feel like, oh gosh, after applying makeup, shake bottle to activate and hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Close your eyes and spray 7 to 10 times in a circle for full coverage. Let dry before opening your eyes. That's a lot of sprays. I don't even know if I'd want to use this for that whole reason. The one thing I will say is like sometimes SPF products do like have a flashback. So I don't know if like a setting spray, if it would be dispersed enough or not. And I also think that's maybe why it says 7 to 10 times to try and build up that UV protection. But there's that product. And then the next little sample in here is from the brand IGK, and this is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. It says it's a nourishing leave-in conditioner that boosts your hair's hydration for shiny, frizz-free style. This is the little sample up close. I'm not even gonna put my hand behind it. Look at my lovely chip nails, yeah. I know, they're super cute. I'm over hair products. And then the bonus item this month is the Amika Nourishing Mask. It's a deep conditioning mask that hydrates and repairs damaged strands while adding major shine. It says, massage through wet hair, let penetrate. Oh, use the word penetrate. For 5 to 7 minutes, rinse well. Use weekly or daily. I never trust a mask that says, use me daily. Like, you probably don't do shit if I can use you daily. This is our bonus. A little foil packet bonus. You know, even if all these brands are at Sephora, the only thing I was excited about was the Stila and maybe the Bobbi Brown, which was literally the tiniest sample. I'm just annoyed at my boxes this month, you guys. I know that like that's not what you want to hear. I get it. I am very lucky to have the money to spend to buy these boxes, to review them for you. I'm just letting you know, like, right now they don't seem worth your money. I feel like I get an excessive amount of hair products, and I'm not someone who really likes to try new hair products. Like, once I find my routine that works for my hair, I like to stick with it. And a lot of the reason behind that is that I have dandruff, so like I struggle to use new products without it affecting my scalp negatively. You know, when you don't feel good, so it's making you grumpy, and there's no reason to be grumpy. I don't know. I'm gonna go before I have an existential crisis on camera. I would have tried this box on for you. Obviously, there were not enough makeup products to do that. I am gonna look into my last few Sephora plays and see if that's like even feasible. It like, or if that's like more the direction they're heading is like cleansing and hair stuff. I don't know. I very well might cancel 1 or 2 of these subscriptions here soon. I'll give it a few more months. I feel like I say this all the time though, like to myself. I'm sorry I don't feel great. I am trying to power through some really shitty life circumstances right now. Yeah. Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on because I really did not have an intro to this video or an outro. I obviously wasn't feeling great when I filmed this. I was a little disappointed when I was unboxing this bag, and I obviously ended up kind of just ending the video, and I didn't mean to do that. I just was having a rough day, and so I'm sorry that this video wasn't more fun to watch. Thanks for watching, and hopefully the next one will be better. What's up? For signing. I'm over samples.